Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Bluetooth scanning on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and then you want to turn off or disable Bluetooth scanning on your phone so that your phone will stop using your Wi-Fi to scan in the background, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Bluetooth scanning on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on location. Now, once you select location, if location is disabled, just go ahead and turn on location. Then here, click on location services. Once you select the location services, go down until get to improve accuracy and then you should say Bluetooth scanning. Now, let app use Bluetooth for more accurate location detection even when Bluetooth is off. Disable this and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to disable or turn off Bluetooth scanning on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.